Hey guys, it's Mr. Short. Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 6, Lesson 9. I was writing that before. I had to redo the video, so that's why I'm doing it there. But things happen. All right, like I said, we're on page 55 and page 56 today. We're working on our how many turns we're making and how much of the circle we're turning. So it says, how many degrees does the minute's hand turn from 3:30 to 4? From 3:30 to 4. So 3:30 is right here, right? 4 o'clock, the minute hand goes here. So if we make our line, here's what I show my class all the time. So each section is worth 90 degrees, right? Oops, sorry. So each section is worth 90 degrees. So we started here to here is 190, here to here is another 90. So we just add 90 degrees plus, what am I doing? It's the end of the year, guys. Mr. Short's brain is, I don't know if it's working. It's a little tired. Okay, so we had 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, 0, 0, 0. 9 plus 9 is 100, is 18, so it's 180. So we went 180 degrees, right, which is our straight angle, and we know a straight angle is always 180 degrees. Okay, next one, a car is driving east. Okay, so the car is going this way. This car is pointing right now. It's going this way right now. Okay, the car turns and is now driving south. So it turns, it's going this way. How many degrees does a car turn? Remember, it was going this way. Now it's going this way. It was going east. Now it's going south. Again, divide this up again, right? Every section is worth 90. Okay, it was going this way, down 0, right? It's already going straight, so that's 0. Then it goes straight down, which a car can't make that turn, but we're going to pretend like it can. Goes straight down. So what kind of turn does it make? It makes one turn. It was going straight and went down. So the car turned, how many degrees does it turn? It turns 90 degrees. All right. Number 3 says Deepa is in the seat on the bottom of the Ferris wheel. So here's Deepa right here. Okay. The Ferris wheel turns 180 degrees clockwise. Make our cross again. 90, 90, 90, 90, right? Because this, and don't put the other ones on here yet. Why? Because we're not starting here at 0. This is 0 right now. This is 0 for us right here where Deepa's at. So she goes 180 degrees. She goes 190 and another 90, right? 90 plus 90 is 180. So circle where Deepa's seat is after the turn. Her seat's right here. What turn brings Deepa back to the bottom of the Ferris wheel? Well, if to go all the way around, we would make a full circle. We already went 180 degrees. So how many do we need to get to a full circle? Remember, a full circle is 360 degrees. So what, 180 plus what equals 360? Or subtract. I'm going to let you figure out what goes in there. I gave you the whole problem. All you got to do is find out what goes right there. All right, let's look on the back. A bucket of baseball weighs 14 pounds, 11 ounces. Coach Endo has 2 buckets of baseballs. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with the camera. 2 buckets of baseballs. How many ounces do the buckets of baseballs weigh? So here's a bucket that weighs 14 LB, 11 OZ, 14 pounds, 11 ounces. Okay, that's, here, I'll make that more of an L even though it's not supposed to be so I don't confuse it. So we just have another one, right? Yeah, these aren't great buckets. You can tell what it's supposed to be. 14 pounds, 11 ounces. I like writing it that way better, so let's change this one. 14 pounds, 11 ounces. All right. How do you figure out how many 2 of them weigh? Add them together. Put the answer over there. Okay. Down here, show your thinking. Adding fractions. You guys just took a test on this not long ago. You guys can add these fractions. You can get that one on your own because I am going to get out of here. This is Eureka Math Square with Mr. Short, 4th grade, Module 6, Lesson 9. I'll see you guys in a little bit for Lesson 10. Have a good night.